Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss a whisper theory in which bonding and shape of Cl2O molecule, that is dichlorine monoxide, in which a sp3 hybridization type. Okay. Also discuss a bonding and shape of BRF5 molecule, that is bromine pentafluoride, in which sp3d2 types of hybridization. Okay. So last lecture yesterday we are discuss a whisper theory, assumption of whisper theory, need of whisper theory. Also discuss a bonding and shape of irregular type of molecule. Okay. So also discuss a bonding and shape of ClF3 molecule. Okay. ClF3 chlorine trifluoride molecule. Okay. So in this chlorine trifluoride molecule are undergo sp3 dehybridization. Okay. And which a irregular geometry, that is trigonal bipyramidal geometry. It means three electron pairs are involved. It means three bond pair and two lone pairs are present in trichloro chloro trifluoride. Okay, so there are two lone pairs are present and their lone pair arrangement is the different. Okay, suppose there are three types of arrangement. First is the lone pairs are placed at axial position. Okay, one lone pair is axial position and another lone pair is a equatorial position, and third is the two lone pair placed in a equatorial position. Okay, so two lone pairs position equatorial is the more stable. Okay, so and shape of the molecule is T shape and geometry is a trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal means two lone pairs and one chlorine fluorine bond are present in equatorial position and another two chlorine are present in axial position. Okay, so in this molecule we discuss a last lecture. So today we are discuss a formation of Cl2O molecule, that is a dichloromonoxide. Okay, according to whisper theory, first according to hybridization in these molecules are form a sp3 hybridization. Okay, it means one s orbitals and three p orbitals hybridize to form a Cl2O molecule. Okay, central atom is the O, oxygen, and molecule formation of tetrahedral geometry. Okay, so what is the difference between geometry and shape? Geometry involves all electron pair, but shape in which only bond pairs are involved. Consider a only bond pair means present a chlorine and oxygen bond. There are two chlorine and two oxygen bonds. It means oxygen dichloride, okay, or dichlorine monoxide forms a V shape and tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry, it means that in which present a two lone pairs and two bond pair. Okay, so this is the definition of hybridization, the process of mixing and recasting of S and p atomic orbitals to form a equivalent set of sp3 hybrid energy orbitals of a equivalent energy and maximum symmetry is called a sp3 hybridization. Okay, so formation of dichlorine monoxide in which 1s 3p orbitals are used for hybridization to form a sp3 hybridize. Okay, so what is the atomic number of chlorine? 17. And its electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5. It means that 1s2 2s2 2p6 it is a inner cell. They are not involved in hybridization. But 3s2 3p5, this is the outer cell electronic configuration and this involves in hybridization. Okay, so what is the atomic number of oxygen and what is the electronic configuration of oxygen? Okay, its electronic configuration of oxygen is a 1s2 2s2 2p4. Okay, 1s2 is a inner cell core cell electronic configuration. This is the not involved in hybridization, but 2s2 2p4 2s2 2p4, these orbitals of oxygen involves in hybridization. Okay, so this oxygen containing 2s and 2p4 used for hybridization. So next is the formation of excited state. Formation of excited state of chlorine and oxygen. So in which chlorine, these red colors electronic configuration are not involved in hybridization. Okay, so 3s2 3p2 3py2 and 3pz, it is a excited state of configuration of chlorine. It means 3p5 ground state electronic configuration of chlorine, 3p5 promote electron. Okay, or oxygen 2p4 excite to form say 2py1 and 2ppz1. These 3px2 3py2 and 3pz as well as oxygen containing 2px square 2py1 and 2pz involves in hybridization. So next is the hybridization of Cl2O. First, this is the O, oxygen atom is a central atom. Okay, so what is the electronic configuration? Ground electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2 2s2 2p5. Okay, so in excited state hybridized orbitals of 3s 3p and 3p involves a chlorine atom share unpaired electron, one chlorine and one oxygen. Okay, to forms a 2 chlorine oxygen and second is the chlorine oxygen. There are 2 chlorine oxygen bond forms. Okay, so 3s and 3px containing 2 pair of electron. 2 pair of electron, it means 2 lone pair electrons are present. They are not involved in bonding, but these unpaired electrons involved in bonding. Okay, so oxygen, excited state of oxygen atom containing 2 unpaired electrons. These 2 unpaired electrons share with another chlorine atoms to form say chlorine oxygen. There are 2 chlorine oxygen bond form. Okay, so to form say Cl2O, dichlorine monoxide molecules, that is sp3 because of 1s and 3p orbitals are involved to formation of dichlorine monoxide. Okay, so this is the shape of molecules Cl2O, dichlorine monoxide. Okay, so this is first ground state electronic configuration of oxygen atom. 2s2, 2p2, 2p1 and 2p1. Okay, so these 2p unpaired electron hybridize with chlorine atom, that is sp3 hybridization. 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals having two lone pair of electron, two lone pair, that is they are not involved. Lp, it is a lone pair of electron. There are two lone pair electrons are present and two unpaired electrons. Okay, so these unpaired electrons which forms a chlorine oxygen bonds by overlapping with p orbitals of chlorine atom. Okay, to forms a tetrahedral geometry. Okay, so in this figure tetrahedral geometry forms. Tetrahedral geometry includes a all electron pair, that is lone pair as well as bond pair, so that's why tetrahedral geometry is represent. Okay, so another phi shape is depends on only bond pair. Okay, bond pair, it means formation of bond, pairing of electrons involved in bonding, chlorine oxygen bonding to forms a phi shape. Okay, in dichlorine monoxide, minimum repulsion between electron pair and maximum symmetry and minimum stability, sorry, more stability, shows V-shaped geometry and bond angle is 109 degree point 18 minutes, sorry, 28 minutes, because lone pair is greater repulsion and lone pair bond pair is less repulsion, as bond pair is less repulsion. So chlorine and chlorine, its bond angle is 109 degree point at 28 minutes because of valence shell electron repulsion. So bonding and shape of another molecules, that is bromine pentafluoride. Okay, BrF5, formation of BrF5 bromine pentafluoride molecules. Okay, so in this bromine pentafluoride molecule involves a sp3d2 hybridization. Okay, so to forms a square pyramidal shape and octahedral geometry. Octahedral geometry, it means we consider a all electron pair, and square pyramidal shape because in which a only 5 bond pairs are present. At that time we are not consider a lone pair. So formation of BrF5 molecules to forms a sp3d2 types of hybridization and square pyramidal shape as well as octahedral geometry or structure. Okay, what is the atomic number of bromine atom? 53. And what is the electronic configuration? Okay, so outer shell electronic configuration 3d10, 4s2, 4p5, and fluorine similar a 2s2, 2p5. This is the ground state electronic configuration. And this bromine is a central atom. Okay, and fluorine atom is a bonding in surrounding of bromine. Okay, so bromine atoms containing a 5 unpaired electron. So these 5 unpaired electron promotes towards the 4d orbital, transferred to 4d orbital. Okay, so this means excited state. In hybridization state, these two electron promotes to d orbitals and forms a 5 unpaired electron. Okay, so these 5 unpaired electrons of bromine atoms form bonds with the 5 fluorine atom plus 1 lone pair, giving in a total number of bond pair. Okay, and forms a octahedral geometry, means 6 electron pairs are present surrounding bromine atom. Okay. If we consider a shape, these square pyramidal shapes are formed because we are not considering bond pair, lone pair. So here formation of excited state. In excited state, 2 electron in 4p, 2 4p electron goes to 2 electrons of 4d orbital, 4d empty orbitals to form say excited state. Okay, and it shows 5 unpaired electron here. Okay, so these 5 unpaired electrons are formed when 2 electrons in 4p goes to 4d empty orbitals to form say excited state, and it shows 5 unpaired electron in which 3 are in p orbitals and 2 unpairs are present in 4d orbitals as a excited state. And these hybrid orbitals indicates with these hybrid orbitals interact with fluorine atoms to form say sp3d2 and forms a BrF5 molecule. Here representation of hybridization. Bromine atoms its electronic configuration in ground state 3d10 4s2 4p5. Okay, so these 2 pair electrons in present a 4p orbital. These 2 electron promote or excite to form say excited state 4s2 4p3 and 4d2 electrons are present. This is the excited state. Okay, so these 5 unpaired electrons interacts with fluorine atoms to form say sp3d5 hybridization, that is BrF5 molecules are formed. Okay, so this is the shape of molecule, that is square pyramidal. Okay, because lone pairs are not considered. Okay, so first figure, it is a octahedral shape of molecules, and second is the square pyramidal. Second consider only bond pair, and first consider bond pair as well as lone pair, that is all electron pairs are considered. Okay, so these 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals of bromine, out of which one contain lone pair of electrons and 5 contains one unpaired electron, each overlaps with 2p orbitals of 5 fluorine atoms to form say 5 sigma bond. Okay, so this is the structure and shape and geometry of molecule. Okay, so second molecule is a shape and first is the geometry, octahedral geometry and square pyramidal shape, second of BrF5 molecule. Okay, so next lecture we are discuss a valence shell electron pair repulsion theory in bonding and shape of xenon trioxide molecule. Okay, XeO3 molecules we are discuss. Also discuss a xenon oxyfluoride XeO4 molecules of fluorine. XeOF4 xenon oxyfluoride we are discuss in next lecture. So today, if any queries, if any doubt, comment me. Okay. Now we are stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.